Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you the difference between making your eyes look bigger and making them look smaller. I've had this request from a few people saying that their eyes are too big, they want to make them look a little smaller, and people who think that their eyes are like way too small and they want to make them look bigger. So we're going to be doing that and comparing the two. So today I'm going to be using the Vanity Makeup, what is this called? The Signature palette, just some neutrals, you know? All right, so first up is going to be contouring your eye. So if I want my eyes to look bigger, I'm just picking up one of the neutral shades, and I'm going to want to define my crease. So I'm using a small, this is just a ColourPop brush, just a small blending brush. e.l.f. has nice ones as well. So I want to basically start with my eyeshadow right in my crease, and then I'm going to slowly blend it up and out. So I'm defining my eye socket basically, but I don't want to take any of the dark color downward. I want to keep all of it up pretty high. For the eye that I want to make smaller, I'm going to take that same color, using that same brush, and I'm going to place this color all over the lid to start. So I'm darkening up the whole lid. And then I'm just going to blend that into the crease. But I want to keep the majority of the pigment on the lid. For the lid on this eye, I'm going to pick up a light color. This is like a bone color from the palette. I'm going to place this all over the lid. So everywhere that we didn't apply the crease color, all the way up to where that color started. Okay, first step. For the lower lash line, I'm going to pick up that taupey color on a little bit more of a precise brush. This is just a little bit more like flat. And I'm going to focus this underneath my eyelashes. And that's the only place I'm going to put it. So I'm going to keep it pretty tight to the lash line. For the other side, I'm going to use that same blending brush that we used, and I'm going to blend this whole area of my eye bag. So this whole area that kind of comes out just above my under eye. I'm not going to make it too dark, but I want to shade this whole area. All right, for my waterline, on the eye that I want to make look smaller, I'm going to be using a darker color. So this is just a brown. This is the Cream Gel Liner from ColourPop in the shade Sunnyvale? And then on the other eye, I'm going to use a light color. So this is Lustro from the brand 1999. This is basically like a champagne-y gold. It's got a little bit of shimmer in it. This is the eye that we want to make look bigger. And then finally is highlight. So for the inner corner for the eye that I want to make look smaller, I'm using this little Dior highlight palette and pick up one of the nude colors. I'm going to focus the highlight right on the inner corner. So literally right there, not taking it out any further, just right there. For the other eye that I want to make look bigger, I'm going to pick up a little bit more. And I'm going to focus that color, or that product, all in the inner corner. So I'm going to take it in here, buff it down a little bit, bring it up, and it's slightly onto the lid, inner corner of the lid. So I'm brightening up this whole area. And then if you want to make it look even more significant, you could take a little bit of that highlight, pop it right in the center of the lid, just to add a little bit more dimension. All right, guys, that's it. Those are the differences. So if you're trying to make your eyes look smaller, then you kind of want to bring all of the dark colors in closer to your eye, and you want to take the lighter colors and bring them closer to your eye if you are trying to make it look larger. Remember, it's all contouring. It's all about reflection of light, whether you're using matte shades or highlight shades. Yeah, I hope that helped. Let me know if you want to see more looks like this, or if you want to see like more in-depth looks, like a cut crease for making your eyes look smaller. versus larger. But basically it's gonna be this kind of combination of like lights and darks. Hope that helped. Let me know what you wanna see next, and bye.